Welcome to another tutorial. So here we will be learning that how to exploit port number 139 and 445 that is running Samba. So again for the setup we have Metasploitable as the victim machine and Kali as the attacker machine. This is the particular IP of the victim machine. We'll go back to Kali and nmap port number 139 and 445 and we will provide the IP. Also, we will provide -sv to enumerate any version. So you can run a full scan and scan for other vulnerabilities also, but I will be explaining you the major 3 or 4 vulnerabilities that are there in the major services like FTP, SMB, so on. So here we can see that both 139 and 445 ports are open that are running Samba. Okay. Now we will take help of Metasploit again. So simply type msf console. Alright, so now search for Samba and hit enter. So these are all the exploits that Metasploit's database already has. Currently we are interested in this particular exploit multi Samba user map script. Rank is excellent. Simply type use and hit enter. As usual we will do show options. So it requires L host. These values are automatically set. These are our IP address and our port number. So now what we have to set, we have to set our host value and hit enter. Now as usual let's check if every value has been set that is required, and now type exploit and hit enter. So within seconds the command shell session has been opened. This was a vulnerable Samba service, so it was exploited very easily. So the connection has been established. Now what we can do, let's try to run commands. So this is the IP of Samba machine, that is Metasploitable, and we have successfully hacked. See how simple was this? Now if any computer is running this vulnerable service, this is that easy to exploit. But if the software is updated and current to date, that is why we say that as soon as a new update comes for Windows, Linux, whatever, update that as soon as possible because these things are patched. Still people use vulnerable software very often, so this can be exploited like this. Now to get a shell, simply type shell. It will try to get the shell for you. Hit ls. Now we have the shell. Again we can type bash to get a proper bash shell. So we are root at Metasploitable. We can list down stuff, see who am I, we know already we are root, and things around that. So this is how easy it is to get into a service. Now I'm sure you have the idea after exploiting FTP, SSH and this Samba. You have the idea of how to use Metasploit to attack services. I hope you learned something new from this. Thank you for watching this tutorial.